Mike with Fab'n, and today we're repairing some crappy eBay running boards. Hey, they were cheap, you know. I fell for it. I should have known better. But I'll fix them where they're good. And what happens is you can't step on them. They'll actually pretty much almost fall off. So I'll fix them. But yeah, we have to make them so that they're useful. Otherwise, what's the point in having them? Went up in this body frame mount, but it was ill-designed and didn't actually tighten up with it because of the way the bracket was made. So let's put this back together. Okay, so it uses this style of bracket now, and it's going to bolt in right here. And so it bolts into the actual backside of the rocker panel on the truck, and then through these factory holes here on the bottom of the rocker with these clasps that they provide. So it goes. Of course, we live in the country and we're driving the dirt, so getting dirt all over in my eyes. I'm just going to close my eyes and do it by feel.
Let me go get you some glasses. I'll be right back.
Alright, so the bottom hole has to be drilled out to a 5/16 on the bottom of the rocker panel of the truck. So I have a drill bit. Here we go.
At least you got the safety glasses. Wearing it?
Mud went down in my ear, so I had to shove shop rags in my ear to keep the mud out. I think we have the bolt started. I don't know for sure yet. Yeah, we do. It started. Get the ratchet on it. It's hard to mess with my old Craftsman ratchets. They still work perfect, but the new Harbor Freight ratchets are the switches on the head units are opposite of the Craftsman, so you have to remember which ratchet you're using, because I have about 20 of each. doing today is actually doing the rear brakes of the truck, show them the rotors, the inside of that wheel. And I was tired of not being able to step on the running board, so we're fixing the running boards while we're here. So we've already done that rotor and pads, and we're gonna fix this running board and then go to the other side and do the other rear rotor, and we'll film that for you as well. And then we'll fix the other running board too. Up the running board repairs, and we're going to tighten up the last body bolt. And tighten up these last here. All right, that's way better than it used to be. Okay. There we go. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.